Good morning, Little Mill. You are here with Kyler.
And Alexis. Today is Friday, November 6th, and it is a D-Day.
Now for lunch today, pasta with sauce and meatballs, chicken tenders with whole grain roll, or a 5-inch personal pizza.
There will also be a variety of salads and subs.
We'd love to see everyone here tomorrow at Little Mill as we host the Forsyth County Middle School One Act Festival. Shows begin at 9 o'clock and last all day, but we'd especially love for your support as we perform our show, The Rehearsal, at 2:20.
Basketball cheerleaders are asking that stained classes decorate their doors for a spirit contest. Show your school spirit as the Mustangs take on the Wildcats of North Middle on Friday, November 13th at North. Winners of the door contest will be awarded during the pep rally on Thursday, November 12th.
It's time for auditions for the spring musical. The auditions take place on Tuesday and Thursday after school, and the sign-up sheet is outside the drama room on the 8th grade hallway. You must have your audition form completed on or before your audition. See Miss Norwood if you have any questions, and we'd love to have you involved.
Are you interested in joining the new lacrosse club? There will be an informational meeting Tuesday during staying time in the gym. You can see Coach Holsley with more questions.
Thanks for watching the Mustang News, Little Mill. Have a great day.